In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your wood burner or multi-fuel stove looking like new again. Mine's been heavily used over winter, so definitely needs some maintenance, some fire cement and some polish to get it looking like it did when I first got it. So let me show you the process and the products you'll need to get it looking like new again. So these are the products that I'll be using. I will link them below in my Amazon store for you to order them. Let's get started by emptying out all of that old ash. So I usually go in by having a little bit of sweep and then emptying out the tray. This does gather a lot of ash underneath, so once this is emptied out, I usually go in with a hoover just to get the excess out from the corners. If you don't like using your hoover for this job, I do find that you can also stick a poker in there and sort of sweep it all out. But I've got extra filters for my hoover, so I don't mind doing this too much because I can swap them out. I'm just giving the front of the grate a clean up with some WD-40 just to freshen it up. It is a little bit discoloured, but I'm not sure that using any sort of polish or stove paint inside is a good idea because of the heat in there. So once that's sorted, I'm just giving everything a good wipe over to get rid of any excess dust. This is just with some soapy water and it just gets rid of everything just to give it a nice clean. Then for the glass, I'm using an abrasive cleaner. What I'm using is the Astonish oven and cookware, but the pink stuff would probably do this as well. It's just to get rid of that burnt on discolouring that you get on the glass. This does clean up really well. You can also use a scourer to do this. And then I'm just giving the inside a bit of a freshen up with some more WD-40. Then to do the outside, I'm using this stove polish. So you apply it with a dry cloth in circular motions. It fully sets once the fire has been lit and it gets some heat. I did apply a second coat of this after doing the fire cement, but I just went around the whole of the outside with the stove polish, making sure I got into all of the nooks and crannies, giving it a really good freshen up. So next up is the fire cement. This has been needing to be done for quite a while. I lost the cement quite quickly with this stove. So it's really easy to use. You can just go in with your finger and press it into the gaps in between the flue. So I've done this at the bottom and at the top. And then what I did once it was in was went over with a wet finger just to smooth it out a little bit. And again, this sets once the fire has been lit. Then finally, to clean up the Slate hearth, I'm going in with the trusty WD-40 yet again. This gives it a really nice black colour. When you're wiping away the dust, it just tends to discolour it really quickly, and I find that with the WD-40 you can give it a wipe over for a good couple of weeks and it retains that colour, so that's something that I do quite regularly. So here it is all finished off. It really does look like it's brand new again. So this is something that can be done in about half an hour to get your stove looking like new. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you did, and I will see you again soon.